Oh, that's my head. That's my head. That's my head. Wait. No, you little monster. You little monster. You little monster. No. Are you nuts? Are you nuts? He just felt my skin, so he actually stopped. He's so good at this. Come, let's try to get you more in the video. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see, mister? Are you playing so nicely? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you so crazy? What you doing? What you doing? Don't go, don't go. Don't go. We're still playing. I wish I was wearing a GoPro so you could watch it from my perspective because it's so cute. It's so cute. Are you so cute? You're just gonna see a lot of chin, I think. What are you doing? You're so sweet. You're so sweet, my boy. Who needs expensive toys, man? You've got a towel. Are you wiggle worming? Are you wiggle worming? Thank you, boy. Wow, you're a cute little boy. You're a cute little boy. You're a cute, cute, cute little boy. Cute boy. I know this filming is probably terrible and he's like making such drastic movements. You're gonna fall off the couch. Yes, you're gonna fall. Boo! Hello! You're gonna fall, my boy. You're falling, you're falling, you're falling. You're gonna fall, Baba. You're gonna fall. You're so nuts. Don't fall, Baba. Oh, you guys, we should all be this excited about life, shouldn't we? Yes. I hope you guys all wiggle worm your way through your day today, and that Piggy has made you feel all happy and childlike and giddy. I know his chin looks really sore, but it is getting a lot better. Are you a lot better now? Yes. And as you can see, he doesn't let allergies get him down. He's just like, yeah, gonna live my life like a nutso. Look at him. Oh, Piggy. I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall, Bubba. Me too. I want you to fall. I'm probably talking like, you know, like how people talk to babies. I'm sorry if it's really but sometimes you just gotta like be in the moment and have no inhibitions and just have fun. Hey Piggy, that's what we have to do. We just have to have so much fun. Oh, he's nuts, you guys. He is nutty, 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 nuts. Are you so crazy? Oh, good stretch in the middle of it. When he's done doing this, you guys, he will pass out. He will sleep so hard for hours afterwards. Hey? You are such a good boy. Hey, you are a very good boy. Licking your towel now. Oh, Piggy, we love you. Everybody loves you, my boy. Have a great day, you guys. I hope this started your day with a laugh. Piggy's like, I'm not done. Don't stop the video. I got more energy in me. Oh, have a great day, everyone. We love you all. Piggy, say bye. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.